Final Vixen, Slim Shady, and Magic Memes. Here at Rap Sesh, we sound so ridiculous and I love it. We are here at Rap Sesh. This week we're doing something really fun that we've not really done before, kind of, but not really. Now it's official.
What?
We're doing an unboxing episode.
Oh yeah, the things we're sitting on. Yeah. These
things, we snatched these up at SEMA 2019, which is over in Las Vegas, from Innovative Tools. You can see it.
You can see half of it.
If you guys watch our channel, you know we've done quite a few different episodes on the Innovative Tools products. We have the bumper super stands. Those are like our absolute favorite.
Use them every day.
So we have been really anxious to get out to SEMA again, which is where we've originally met these people for the past 3 years now. Yeah. This is where we've seen Innovative Tools.
They always have a really cool booth set up, all their stands.
We've always had an eye on their stuff because if you do anything disassembly related, like they have storage racks and like bumper stands and all sorts of things to hold things.
Pretty much anything for body work or anything like automotive.
Or auto restyling.
Yeah, anything auto restyling.
As a wrap shop, they have tons of stuff that would be really, really great for our shop, and it makes our life a lot easier. It's a lot better storage options. So we are going to unbox the things that we got from SEMA today from the Innovative Tools. So once again, thank you Innovative Tools and Technology, I think is the end. Yep, Tools and Technology. You guys have amazing stuff. We're super excited to try this stuff out. I know we got one of the newer bumper stands.
It's a new bumper stand and a new storage rack.
4 bumpers.
4 bumpers.
And I think a couple other things, but it's been a couple months. So
well, we're gonna find out.
I'm really excited though. It's like Christmas.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
All right.
Okay. Really awesome stuff, so we're just going to walk through and give you a little peek-see of what it's all about.
Peek-see?
A peek-see. This one right here is the Innovative Bumper Mobile Stand. So this is meant to be mobile. It's got wheels on the bottom. You can stack bumpers on here. I think another use for us would be boxes.
Yeah, we can stack boxes on these, and they actually are adjustable. They come off super easy.
No screws or anything.
They just
flash down.
Go right through there.
So,
storage.
Move on down the line.
This thing, I mean, this thing is awesome. So right now we have FRS code on it right here. I'll kind of show you how it's mounted. Literally, so this will hold almost any part. It almost looks like a big crossbow.
It actually does look like a crossbow. That was my first thought.
So what this does is all these hooks kind of just go in, because all body panels on the inside have these holes everywhere and like edges that you can use. So what they have is a little hook on the end, and what it does is just open to where it catches. And it just opens onto the hood and pulls it down. And it's actually very sturdy. You can sit there, rap on it, you can sand on it, work on it, whatever you need to do, any kind of body work.
So this would be great for not only wrap wrap shops, but any kind of auto restyling,
any kind of body shop or anything.
Yeah, so you can go like this way,
and
it
it
can
has
wrap.
extra arms down at the bottom. There's another extra arm right there.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
Yeah.
What other panels could you attach on here?
You can put a tailgate, a hood, a door. You can pretty much put any panel on here except for a bumper, really.
And no body.
Yeah, no, like
Probably not body.
this is actually like the coolest sawhorse I've ever seen. So this is super adjustable.
What's it called?
It is called the
X-stand.
The X stand. Makes sense. Yeah. So this is like super adjustable though. You can go up, you can go out, down. I mean, it's pretty awesome.
Opens like this way.
Yeah, it opens and closes. It'll go all the way down to the floor. But this is also good use for almost any kind of part really, because these are super soft,
They
like
are
squishy.
really soft. It feels like an armchair.
Yeah, squishy pads. So we can technically take this hood off once we're done wrapping the outside, and we can flip it over onto this stand on the paint side and wrap the inside.
Point. Yeah, we can just flip the hood over now and have something decided on if we were doing the hood wrap.
Yeah. Or doors, door jambs.
Oh, door jambs.
You can put the whole door right on this,
like
and it'll set right on
This
there.
is like just a little too late.
Yeah.
These are the bumper super stands. So this is one of our original ones. This is just the original super stand. We have 2 of these in our shop. We've been using them for about 2 years now, and they're awesome for bumpers.
We use them on every car.
Yeah. If you've seen any of our stuff before, all of this adjusts. So you have the bumper set up right here, and then you clamp it over here.
But the reason why they came out with this bad boy.
I'm not even there yet.
Oh.
I wasn't done.
Fine.
No, go ahead.
Okay. So the reason why they came out with this stand is for like, say I'll use an example, a brand new Lexus IS 250 bumper. When you take the grill out of that bumper, it's literally just the very bottom of it that
Like
supports
2
it.
inches.
Yeah, so
And
it's
then a
super
huge
floppy,
bumper on
and
the
so
side,
that bumper stand really doesn't
It
work.
doesn't work unless you take the.
You have to leave the grill in, which defeats the purpose. Oh yeah, makes sense. And so what these do, these actually come out and extend, and so instead of the bumper just sitting on here, you can actually attach both corners. And so this bumper stand is made for the more complex bumpers that have those huge grills in the middle. That you need more actual attachments,
This one only has 2 attachments.
But like this, it looks like a freaking spider.
This is the improved version of this stand. So this is the Super Stand 6, and it's got how many clamps?
4, 5, 6.
It's got 6.
Yeah.
And these are all these adjust. They go out, they go up and down. You can turn the angles up here. You can turn this. So this is a really, really nice upgrade. This will be really great for wrapping bumpers, prepping them, you know, all the stuff you've been using this one for.
Yeah.
One thing I'll keep in mind with these stands, I recommend keeping like heavy boxes. If you guys have print kits or material, throw a box down on the bottom to secure your stand, because you definitely have to pull evenly when you're using these stands. Otherwise, it will topple over.
Well, only mostly with the bumpers. Because we're really
That's
pulling
what
on the
we're using
bumpers.
it for, yeah.
No, well, for like stuff like this,
No, I'm
you
talking
really
about
need
these
to.
2.
But like, at least throw 2 big, you know, we usually throw like 2 50-yard
Two
rolls down
boxes,
there, or whatever
yeah.
you got. That
And
box
then you
is
want to
actually
lock
full
the
of conduit.
wheels, and it makes them.
Well, the wheels don't only just lock, they actually lock pivoting too, so they won't turn. So they're actually kind of nice. They like fully lock.
Super cool. And then let's run over to the toolbox real quick.
So these are meant to just like, you can pretty much throw anywhere on a metal surface, and you can attach whatever you want to it. So mirrors, you could literally use both of these and throw a wing down,
Yeah,
just
like
like
we do
straight
like a
down on
spoiler.
it. Yeah. Mostly,
They're meant for mirrors.
mostly just little parts, yeah. Handled mirrors, or whatever you can clamp to it. I mean, anything you're trying to hold, you can probably.
This one's to put like a bolt.
Yeah, you can bolt through this one.
This one actually has a clamp.
Yeah.
So 2 different versions. This one's for like handles, these are gonna be more for mirrors, but I think
Well,
we'll find a lot more applications.
We haven't
for
even
them.
used them yet, so I feel like.
This is an unboxing episode.
Well, we're gonna find uses
Yeah,
for
we
them.
haven't used it yet. We're really excited. We will do another episode showing you guys actually using all this stuff in the shop. If you guys want to check it out, go to innovativetools.com. They've got the hookup on all the most amazing stands, storage racks, you name it, they have it. And yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this week. If you guys are interested in any of the awesome tools and stands available from Innovative Tools, you can check it out at www.innovativetools.com. Really excited to start implementing these in our shop.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna be using this bad boy all day.
All day to sit in it?
Yeah, no.
Other
But
things?
you can put so many things on this. It's like soft and squishy. You don't have to worry about hurting anything, like doors
He's pretty excited about
and
this chair.
hoods and whatever you want. Yeah.
If you guys want to keep up on our daily fun, check us out on Facebook and Instagram. That is Raps-AZ and Vinyl Vixen Raps. And we will see you next week.
Yeah. No, that was the box. I swear.
It's Excellente. Yo, I can't even touch my foot down to this box because my ankle's still messed
You
up.
can keep cash in there.
That's for your
Definitely not a blooper you want to keep.
Yeah.
No, just bleep that word out. You just have to bleep out the word.
No, that's where I keep my bleep.
Then it leaves a
Yeah.
mystery.
Yeah, fill in the blank, right?
Fill in the blank.
We have to do
You
that.
can keep your bleep in there.
Dog was farting so bad earlier in the office, and he was like hotboxing it.
I have a lot of washers left.
That's not. You have a lot. How many washers do you have left? I'm literally poking holes in this box with the bones in my butt.
All right.
Don't be so bony. Okay, ready guys? A few.
A few? There's like 12 in here.
We have to sit the same.
Well, yeah, I'm not as like small.
Do you want to like omit?
No.
Okay.
I don't know if they're gonna give us 12 extra washers.
There's only a couple. Okay, look, these
so there's
four go right here.
of those kinds.
I already know where these go.
You got 3. Okay, so that's an odd number.
Have you ever smelled a dog fart? It's like you can taste it and it's like your nose hairs thin a little bit.
They're really bad.
Yeah, you're like.
It's especially. Wait, then I would have to do this.
Everybody cross it. Okay, perfect. Now you
No.
gotta do the little head bob.
Head bob?
Yeah.